iTag Equipment is the semi-trailer marketplace connecting buyers and sellers since 2012. We strive to create a seamless experience, saving you time and money. We build professional and compelling listings for our sellers that attract buyers nationwide. Get your trailer or equipment listed with us today at no cost to you. We are looking for high-quality, clean title trailers and equipment. We are not looking for any damaged, salvaged, or rebuilt equipment, preferably 10 years or newer. Visit us at itagequipment.com. That's ITAG equipment.com. Selling starts with seeing. Our process starts by focusing on creating a professional,